Nebula US is an innovative platform that promises a lot, but before you make your purchase, there are some important things you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether Nebula US is the right fit for your needs, especially when compared to other similar platforms. First, let's talk about the pricing. One of the biggest selling points of Nebula US is its competitive pricing model. Compared to competitors, Nebula US often comes in at a lower cost for what it offers. They've streamlined their offerings to make sure you're not paying for unnecessary features, but the catch is, you'll want to check out their tiered plans to see which one fits your needs best. While some services offer all-inclusive plans at high costs, Nebula US is more flexible and transparent with its pricing, making it easier to find something that suits your budget. Next thing you should know is the user interface. When you compare Nebula US to other platforms like XYZ or ABC, the user interface stands out for being intuitive and easy to navigate. Even if you're new to using such services, Nebula US makes it easy to get started without a steep learning curve. If you've used other platforms before, you'll feel right at home here, and it won't take long to get things up and running. The third thing that sets Nebula US apart is its customer support. Many platforms fall short in this department, but Nebula US offers exceptional support, both in terms of availability and the quality of service. If you run into any issues, their support team is quick to respond, and they provide solutions that are clear and actionable. In comparison to other services, Nebula US is often praised for being hands-on and responsive when you need help the most. Now let's dive into performance. When it comes to speed and reliability, Nebula US holds its ground well. With cloud-based services, reliability can sometimes be hit or miss, but Nebula US stands out for its solid uptime and fast performance. In testing, I've found it to be on par with some of the more established platforms in the market. You won't have to deal with frustrating lags or downtime, which can make or break your experience when using any tech service. Moving on to security, a crucial point when choosing any online service. Nebula US takes security very seriously, offering strong encryption protocols and multi-factor authentication options. This is a huge plus when comparing to other platforms that sometimes cut corners in the security department. With Nebula US, you can rest assured that your data is safe. The sixth thing to mention is customization. If you're someone who values tailoring your experience, Nebula US offers several customization options that allow you to adjust settings to meet your exact needs. While some competitors are more rigid, Nebula US allows you to fine-tune the experience and access features that are important to you without feeling boxed in by preset options. The last thing to consider is its integration capabilities. Nebula US seamlessly integrates with several other tools and platforms, which is crucial for anyone looking to incorporate it into a broader workflow. Whether you're using it with other software tools or syncing with third-party apps, the integration process is smooth and hassle-free. When compared to competitors, the ease of integration is often one of the standout features that users appreciate most. If you want to give Nebula US a try, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best deal and even a free trial to test it out. Make sure to grab the exclusive benefits available to you through this link. So, to recap, Nebula US offers a great combination of competitive pricing, ease of use, top-tier customer support, reliable performance, strong security, customization options, and seamless integrations. For anyone in the market for a product like this, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that link for your best free trial offer and get started with Nebula US today.